This video gives an introduction to the Docmosis Cloud Service. The Cloud Service is an API-first service for generating documents from any web-connected application. Once you've created a trial account, you can log into the Cloud Console. The Cloud Console is a convenient web portal where you can upload and manage templates, upload and manage images, experiment with generating documents, view usage details, and invite other users to your account. We'll begin by looking at the Templates page. Your account comes preloaded with these sample templates. Let's download the letter template and have a closer look at that. In the template, you can see that Docmosis fields are created just by typing. This field uses less than, greater than, and the name of the data item in the middle. Let's return to the Cloud Console, and using this template, we'll generate our first document. From the render page, with the letter template selected, we can use the JSON or XML buttons to query the template, find the fields, and generate some matching sample data. Here we can see Docmosis has found the person object and created sample values for first name and last name. On the right-hand side, the PDF output format is selected. Clicking the render button will send the data to the service. The data will be merged with the template to generate a document. The generated document is returned to the browser. In the document, you can see the fields have been replaced with the data. The render page is useful for iterative template development. Let's make some simple changes to the template by applying formatting to these fields. If we save the template, upload the changed file, then regenerate the PDF, you will see those changes flow through to the generated document. Let's look at another important Docmosis Cloud concept. In the top right corner, you will see the location that is being used during this Cloud Console session. To start with, this will show the default processing location that you selected when creating your account. If we change to a different location, we will see the templates stored in that location. There should currently be no templates in the other locations. The location in the top right controls which templates we see and, when using the render service, where the processing will occur. Now that we've looked at some key features of the Cloud Console, it's important to understand that the cloud service is primarily used via the API. When calling the API, firstly be sure that you are using URLs for the correct location. Use the base URL that matches the location where your templates are stored and where you want the processing to occur. Secondly, you will need an API access key that you can find on this page. From here, we recommend splitting your investigation into two parts. On the resources website, you can explore the template tutorials articles to learn how to create template fields, add looping and conditional logic, and control layout and formatting. From the APIs and SDKs section, you will find the documentation covering how to render documents via the API. Thanks for watching.